Aloha Shoyu was honored to sponsor as well as be a part of the first annual Arizona Poke Wars. This was held in Scottsdale, Arizona. We were there spreading the aloha in our booth, along with several local food trucks and small businesses. Along with the food, this family-friendly event had entertainment that, of course, included live music and hula. And, as the name implies, there was, of course, the poke competition, which featured several local chefs.
Get it, Cookie John.
and gentlemen, thank you so much to you guys. If it wasn't for you guys, this today wouldn't have been possible. So a huge round of applause to all of you guys out there.
All of you.
All of our vendors.
All of the vendors.
All of our sponsors, Custom Foods, Aloha Shoyu, BLT Kitchens, Pacific Rim, AZ Lemonade, Captains, Protein Poke, blah, 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 it goes on and on and on and on. But you guys, thank you so much. Again, this wouldn't have been possible if it weren't for them and their donations and their time spent on this. But most importantly, there's a couple people I do want to shout out, is this brainchild that actually is from Chef Glaze. He put this thought together and wanted to execute it, and it all came together because of his passion and his dream to have this event. So Chef Glaze, thank you so much. And of course to Darwin for being a huge supporter and sponsor of the Arizona Poke Wars.
Big round of applause for everybody who's been here supporting, putting together all the hard work efforts.
All right, ladies and gentlemen.
There it is. There is the trophy.
Our very first round set the mood, set the tone, and set the pace for today. It was our traditional round where our chefs competed in their compositions of traditional poke. It was our traditionals round. They fought long, they fought hard, but there was only one winner. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for our traditionals round winner. Please give it up for Our Lady, Chef Hawaiian! Come on up here, Chef. Chef Holly will be given a medallion and a one-night stay here at the Scottsdale Resort at McCormick Ranch.
Great job. Great job.
Congratulations, Chef. All right, for our freestyle round, this was the opportunity for our chefs to take the stage and really put who they are and what they are as culinarians out on the line and show their talent, their ability, their skill set, and their personality through their food and through their transition and into their interpretation of poke. It is my honor and pleasure to introduce and tell you the winner of the freestyle round, Chef Sarah.
Great job. Great job, Sarah. Did it. Awesome. Did it.
Thank you, guys.
All right, guys, it is time. It's the moment we've all been waiting for. Who is our 2023 Poke Master and who will walk away with a check for $1,500? I want to say thank you to all the chefs that competed in the professional round. You all did a fantastic job. And as cliche as it sounds, you're all winners. You're all winners. This was a tough one. A tough decision. In this round, there was a tie. But there can only be one winner. Coming in second place. Please give a huge round of applause to Chef Pope 80! Come on up, Chef.
There he is.
Second place, awesome.
Congratulations, man.
Thanks.
Awesome job, man. Congratulations. Okay, perfect.
All right, our winner and 2023 Arizona Poke Master going home with a check for $1,500. Coming in first place with an overall total score, Chef Eric Johnson. Congratulations, Chef. Him and Paul Patey, they tied for first place. Chef Eric had the largest overall score for the entire day, giving him the title of Arizona Poke Master.
This was such a great community event. We really enjoyed meeting everybody that came by to say hi, take pictures. We are definitely looking forward to next year.